Hi there, it's Wendy from wendybottrell.com. And today we are continuing our series, One Daily Habit for Optimal Physical Health. And today we're talking about be more mindful. And so mindfulness practices help to achieve mental clarity and physical relaxation, promoting overall balance and well-being. Mindfulness increases self-awareness and helps in recognizing physical sensation and emotional responses, allowing individuals to address issues proactively. Even short periods of mindfulness meditation can lead to neuroplastic changes in the brain, improving focus and cognitive function. Now, studies have shown that mindfulness practitioners often exhibit better self-regulation, reduced stress eating, improved emotional regulation, greater self-discipline, and enhanced empathy, leading to better overall health outcomes. And in the notes to this video, I have detailed information on those studies. So be sure to look for that in the notes to this video. And so this is our one daily habit for optimal physical health for today. Want to thank you for being here. Please share your comments or questions below. We invite you to like and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell because it will be notified of our new content. And we do invite you to join our health and fitness newsletter, and we will put the link in the comments in the pinned comment. So I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Thanks very much. Enjoy. Bye for now.